Welcome to the epomaker EP84 in vintage gray with gateron yellow review. This is available on Amazon with a variety of switch options and a few different colors. It has 5-pin hot swap compatibility, RGB, cherry profile keycaps, ANSI layout, preloop switches which are decent and stabilizers which are rattly. This can be fixed with extra Krytox. The keyboard is 75% layout and around £70 on Amazon. It looks nice and the white backplate makes the RGB lights shine even though the keycaps on vintage gray color are not shine through, but they are double shot PBT. The switches feel smooth and they sound quite good especially for the price. When I opened it the top frame fell straight off which is not a good impression. Since it's a 5-pin hot swap you can put any switch. It comes with a 2-in-1 switch puller and keycap remover. The keycap puller does not work well and it makes it hard to remove keycaps. The switch puller works well though. It has USB-C and extendable feet which go quite high. There are also 3 routes to put your cable out of. It comes with orange and white stabilizers which are a bit rattly but can be improved if you add some Krytox lube. The stabilizers are clip-in and you don't need to remove anything apart from the switch to get them out. There are many RGB effects that you can use. A lot of them are the same as the ones on the GMMK keyboard.